Here I have HTC U11 Life, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. Firstly, you have to turn it off by holding down power key and tap power off. And after device turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up. At the same time, after these both keys go off. So now we hold down keys, power key plus volume up. Let's get it. And after that we will end up in the boot mode. So here at the boot mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. And you have such options as reboot, reboot to bootloader, reboot to download, reboot to recovery, and power down. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot and device will be restarted, just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.